Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's video is just going to show you a couple new ferns that we're adding to the garden. A couple of them I've already added in. Very brief video today. Just to start here, you can just see these. So we've got a just over 2 foot Dicksonia Antarctica. You can see loads of new fronds coming out on this one. Also picked up a small 1 footer as well. I'm going to get these heavily soaked in now. I mean, this one, I would say diameter wise is almost 2 foot diameter. I mean, if I put my hand here, you can kind of see we're very chunky on that side. Really good deal on these guys at the moment. I'd highly recommend checking out Seagraves nurseries if you haven't, or you're thinking about purchasing tree ferns. Most of mine you can see in here are from Seagraves, and again, no issues. Lovely fronds, as you can see. So really can't complain on that side here. Gonna get these all watered in though. Again, quite exciting day for me. I do love my tree ferns, so gonna get these in. I think I've got the places where I think they're gonna go, but of course, yeah, gonna get them fully soaked through first. Just you know, for anybody getting new tree ferns, if it's you know, something you've never had before or anything else like that, I have done a tree fern growing guide, so a complete care guide from receiving it to planting it, if you're interested. But I'll kind of show you where these go today. But just one thing to always point out with tree ferns, guys, water. When you do receive them, it's going to be quite dry, and we're going to get this fully soaked through. When I say fully soaked through, probably about 15 to 20 minutes of hose on this one with it being so thick. I'm going to be soaking into the crown, and of course soaking the whole trunk as well with these. I'll just show you those once they're soaked through. So you can just see here, guys, I have placed the largest one here in the center, kind of like it right near the water here. I'm again thinking of quite a few larger ones up in this area, but once I saw this one today, you know, really happy with this purchase here. And you can just see as well, one thing to show you guys, see how all the fronds are kind of going that way at the moment? Typically, if your fronds are doing that, it's because the tree fern log had been laid on its side for a period of time, and when it started to sprout, that's why it's doing that. Now, the fronds should start to correct themselves once they do start coming out. They might be a little wonky and bent in the beginning, but any new fronds and things like that should come out absolutely normal. One thing to mention as well, guys, and again, you may have seen this in a previous video, but if you are ever kind of relocating tree ferns, always try and bear in mind which side faces the sun. If you can reposition it and place it in the orientation of the sun that it was in, it does help the tree fern to kind of get going straight away on that side. So that's a 2 foot one. We'll step back and take a look at that from the front here. Just to show you this one, I decided to put the 1 foot just down here. Sort of on this side, so if you can see now, right next to the 6-inch tree fern we've got here. Again, I think this will add a nice coat of touch and kind of fill in this little area here, right next to the water feature you've got there as well. Now, this one, as you can see, it does have a slight kind of bow out on the trunk, which I'm kind of using again to make it appear as if it's kind of growing out off of it. I just kind of like that, hopefully more natural looking look to it. You can see hose pipe here, guys. I've been soaking these through. Now, having a look from the front here, you can just see if we come back this way, and sorry about the light, got a bit of sun stopping us here. There we go. And you can just see now that it's sat on the top there, I think it gives us quite a nice kind of look, you know, through there. And just to show you here as well, just as we come across, apologies on the bags, we got them in, holding the water. Also got a blechnum brasiliensis. Now this one, again, was a B&M purchase, that you can see there. Again, I'm hoping it will do okay. Again, sort of -4, -5 with these. I'm going to try it out in the ground and just kind of see. I mean, ideally, if you have the room to keep it potted and keep bringing it indoors, you know, you got much better luck getting that through. Of course, as you can see, guys, a lot of stuff I just kind of shove in the ground, and we're going to hope for the best on that one. But again, I'll give it some protection over the winter, probably a straw covering. Also, just to show you as well, one picked up from B&M yesterday, the holly fern. So you crytomium fortunii. Again, I think it looks quite nice in this little area, and again, being kind of evergreen, I think we'll have a kind of nice kind of backbone in the winter there as well. But yeah, with that said, guys, of course, yeah, thanks for watching. If you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, they'll be in the comment section below. And of course, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, follow along with the garden and our projects. Got a lot more pond builds coming, and a lot more sort of tropical plants and guides and things like that. Any information you guys are interested in, and I haven't mentioned it, certainly put it down in the comments as well for me here. With that said, of course, yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.